In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the yellow border in OBS Studio. If you've ever opened OBS and noticed a bright yellow outline around your source, that border usually means the source is currently selected and can be resized or moved. While that can be useful when you're setting things up, it's distracting, and you definitely don't want it showing up in your final recording or stream. So in this video, I'll walk you through what causes that yellow border, how to properly turn it off, and what to check if it keeps coming back. First, open OBS Studio and take a look at your scene. In the preview window, click once on the source that has the yellow border. When a source is selected, OBS highlights it with that yellow outline and small handles on the edges and corners. This just means you're in edit mode for that specific source. Now, move your eyes down to the bottom of OBS, to the toolbar under the preview. You should see a button labeled Edit or Edit Transform, depending on your version. Next to that, there's an option usually called Edit Mode or Studio Mode. What you want to do is toggle off the editing overlay so the yellow border disappears from your preview. The simplest way to do this is to click anywhere in the blank gray area below your sources list so that no source is selected. When no source is active, the yellow border will vanish from the preview window. You can confirm this by clicking on a different scene or simply clicking once on an empty space around your sources. If the border still shows up when you move or resize things, that's normal while you're editing. It will not appear in your final recording or stream. To double check, you can start a quick test recording in OBS. Move your source around, then stop the recording and play it back. You'll see that the yellow border is never actually captured in the video file. A handy tip: use the shortcut Ctrl+E on Windows or Command+E on Mac to quickly toggle editing for your sources in some OBS setups. If that doesn't work, don't worry. The mouse click method we went through will always do the job. And that's it. Once no source is actively selected in the preview, the yellow border is effectively removed, and your scenes are clean and ready for professional-looking recordings or live streams.